Welcome. We just wrapped up ModuleWorks Insider Conference 2026. We started by looking at the whole manufacturing world, and we channeled that down to our audience who are there. CAD/CAM vendors, cutting tool vendors, machine tool builders, control makers. I've got with me now our CEO and CTO, Yavuz and Dave, and I'm going to be asking them how they found MIC.
I felt great energy this year. I think we have a different venue and good weather and a very positive mood and vibe among the guests. I got the feedback that they enjoyed the presentations, also the panel discussion on the AI. I'm very happy how it went. So I think it was a huge success.
So as Yavuz says, I think the venue has been great and the weather has been amazing. We've been very lucky with the weather. But for me, the overriding thing has been the positive atmosphere and the openness and the communication between all the attendees.
I think we spent a lot of time beforehand to explain the trajectory of ModuleWorks and all the bits we have been doing over the years and how they connect together to a bigger picture. And so without jumping in the first day, the first hour on the AI wagon, we explained how we need to get the data flow, how we need all the building blocks of physics and everything, and what we did all this, what kind of partnerships we did. So basically AI, at the end of all these investments, all this thinking of digitalization became the natural question. So what about AI? I think the whole AI discussion explained very well that data is needed and data needs to be consistent and standard. And I think in the last mix, when we presented MDES, people said why. And this time we explained very well why such a standard is needed.
I mean, I guess maybe picking up on my previous answer, so many of the conversations were about the exchanging of data between people in different parts of this workflow. And obviously at ModuleWorks with initiatives like MDES, we are trying to make that easier and enable that.
Thank you, Yavuz. Thank you, Dave. For those of you who were at ModuleWorks Insider Conference, thank you for joining. It was a pleasure talking about our nation of manufacturing. For those of you who missed out, we're looking forward to see you at the next event so we can continue that dialogue in manufacturing. Thank you.